Hi, I'm Joseph Hoffman, and in this video, I'll show you how you can play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let's come to the piano to get started. The first note of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is C, which you can find on your piano. Look for the two black keys nearest the middle of your piano, and it's just to the left of those two black keys. And we play that 2 times, twinkle. And we'll use our left hand, finger 1, which is our thumb. So take your thumb, finger 1 is what I'll call that in piano, place it on C and play it 2 times. Twinkle. Now you try. Great, you just played the first 2 notes of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now for the next 2 notes, we'll need our right hand. So take your right hand, finger 1, and place it right next to your left hand. So it's on the note just a step above, and then every other finger in a relaxed curved shape will cover up one white key just all in a row like this. So they're all just next door neighbors to each other. And our left hand will play twinkle, and then our right hand finger 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We use finger numbers for piano, so finger 4 will play G, which you'll note because it's the first key in between this group of 3 black keys. Twinkle, twinkle with your finger 4. Now you try. Now for Little Star, we're going to step up little with our finger 5, and then step back down to finger 4 for star. Little star. Now you try. If we think of that in finger numbers, we could say 5, 5, 4. Now you try again. Now let's put that all together. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now trust me, if you use the right finger numbers, it will be a lot easier in the long run than playing it like this kind of baby style. You want to train all of your fingers in piano to take a turn, and that will help you to play more advanced music later on. So we have 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4. Now you try. Now, if you need more time, you can always pause the video whenever you need it. But otherwise, let's go on. Finger 3 will play the next part, and you'll notice this pattern in this song where a lot of the notes play twice in a row. We have 3, 3, then step down to 2, 2, then step down to 1, 1. Notice how we did each one 2 times. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, and then the last note we only play 1 time. So that breaks the pattern. And that makes how I wonder what you are. Now you try. Now for this next pattern, it's very similar, but we're going to go all the way back up to finger 4. And once again, each note will play 2 times before it steps down. So now we have 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Notice the last note we only played 1 time. And that, with words, goes up above the world so high. Now your turn. Good news, that pattern is the same pattern we use for Like a Diamond in the Sky. It's new words, but the same notes. Like a diamond in the sky. Now your turn. Then it goes back to the same pattern we had at the start of the whole song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now your turn. In finger numbers, that would be 1, 1 for our left hand, then 4, 4 with our right hand, 5, 5, 4. Try it one more time. Your turn, go. And then from there, it steps down to finger 3. How I wonder what you are. Your turn. Now, we've learned the whole song. Before I show you the whole thing put together, I wanted to let you know you can get the sheet music for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for free from the Hoffman Academy store. So be sure to follow the link to go to the store and get this sheet music for free, which can help you review the notes and make sure you're playing it correctly. But let me show you the whole thing now, all the way through, and I will sing the finger numbers. Ready, go. 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Left hand 1. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Left hand 1. 4, 4, 5, 5, 4. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Left hand 1. Now it's your turn to practice on your own and have lots of fun. One suggestion I have for you is to sing the words while you play. Singing the words while you play will help you to play the correct rhythms and notes, and it will help you hear if you play the notes correctly or not. So singing along while you play is a great tool for learning new songs. Great job learning how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the piano today. At Hoffman Academy, we have hundreds of other videos to teach you how to play the piano and how to read and understand music. Visit hoffmanacademy.com to keep learning with me. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
What do stars say when they apologize to one another?
I don't know.
I'm starry.
Okay. What is money called in space?
What?
Starbucks.
Okay, one more. Why haven't aliens come to our solar system yet?
I don't know. Why?
Because they read the reviews 1 star.